This video is to show you some of the results that could happen from replacing your garage door springs for the wrong ones. The door can be extremely heavy, causing severe damage like this. Wires getting loose, causing the door to go sideways. The motor being damaged from the excessive weight of the door. Now we're going to have our technician replace the springs to show you how to check if you're getting the right ones. Whenever you get the springs replaced, make sure to pick up the door by hand. It should be easy. First, lift the door up about 3 feet from the ground. The door shouldn't move. Then, pick it up all the way. Again, the door should not move. If it does, you most likely have the wrong springs.